Hey guys, and I am back with another video. You guys probably just watched my swimsuit ROTITA haul, so I hope you guys enjoy that one. So for today, I have a clothing haul. I'm actually pretty hyped about some of these items. I actually already wore some of these items, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm pretty hyped about these because I love to keep it very simple during the summertime. Sometimes it's too hot, you know what I mean? So you just wanna just throw something on, and I love that these pieces are like pretty simple, but they still are a little like cute, you know. It looks a little bit more put together, so even when you're throwing something on, it still makes you look put together. So let's get started. I don't want to ramble on here. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and let's get right into the video. Okay y'all, so right away we are starting off with this simple yet really cute outfit. Also, I do want to say that some of these outfits, like some of these outfits and pieces I wouldn't necessarily pair together, but I paired them together for the sake of the video. And yeah, you can always of course wear this with something else, but both my tops and bottoms in this whole video are from ROTITA. So starting off with this beautiful top, I just love how airy this top is, and I love how versatile it is. You can tie it up, you can tuck it in, or you can leave it just like this with some denim shorts. I think it would look absolutely beautiful. I paired it with these leggings from ROTITA that have, it's like a denim leggings, which I've always loved that. Ever since they came out with that style, I was like on it, and I love all the patterns that it has on it, and of course it has butterflies, so it's like I had to get it. But I just love the contrast of like the really white details against the denim. I think that's really beautiful. And then again, of course, this shirt, I love how simple, and I also love the quality of this shirt. It doesn't feel cheap, which is really nice. So yes. Okay, next up we have something, as I said in the beginning of this video, that I have worn before. I just wore this shirt to an event and it was absolutely perfect. It was beautiful. My only pickle about this shirt is that although I absolutely love this little chain detail, I love it. It's a little bit loose and it's not adjustable. So I just didn't like that part because it kind of kept falling off of my shoulder, but it was pretty good for the most part. I love the flowy arms and everything, and of course this is my favorite shade of blue, so I love this shirt. Again, I just wore this. You guys should probably see that picture on Instagram very soon. And then I paired it with these white pants that unfortunately I might give away. I love that these are a little bit like loose. Again, I love like really airy items for the summertime, but it did fit me a little bit tight around my thigh area. It wasn't uncomfortably tight, but if I did like, let's say if I did like a squat or two in this one, which why would you do squats in it? I know, but you know, that's how you have to check the flexibility of your clothing sometimes, because you never know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I just feel like it does have pockets, and I love pockets, but yeah, I just feel like it's a little bit too tight around my thigh area. But other than that, I would say just size up on these because the fabric isn't super duper stretchy. Other than that, these are pretty perfect, and they did fit me loose otherwise. Okay, moving on, I love this green shirt. This lime green shirt is so beautiful. I love how simple, and although it is like skin tight because it did fit me a little bit like fit to my body, I like that it's still really like thin material, so it didn't feel like it would annoy me. And although it does have that little chain part, again, this one didn't feel as loose as the blue one, maybe because of the material of this shirt. It probably just worked better with this one. So I absolutely like this shirt. Is bomb. I love the color and everything. And then moving on to the pants that I paired it with for this video, I love how loose these pants are. These ones fit me really loose. If you don't like loose fitting pants, then this is not for you. I do, again, especially in the summertime, because it just feels better to me. And then these like the strings didn't come like, what do you call that, intertwined here. It didn't come laced, and so I just had to lace this for you guys because I want you guys to see the full pant for yourselves. I love that it's baggy at the waistband and that it has pockets. I think these pants are perfect, and I'm so glad I have them because I've ordered a few pants from ROTITA and they don't always work out. These ones worked out for me. Okay, next we have this basic white shirt, which I already wore as well. I just love how comfortable this shirt is. Again, this one is very versatile because it is nice and long. So I actually took a picture with this, and for the picture I actually tied it. I think it was on the side I tied the shirt. And so I just love how simple this is. This can go with absolutely anything, and the material of this one feels really promising, so it feels like it would last a long time. So yes, I really love this one. That's all really I have to say. And then of course you have like your typical, like, I guess like biker shorts. I love how stretchy these shorts are. Sometimes these biker shorts feel a little bit too like tight and very just like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel as comfortable, but I love that this is a breathable material, and again, perfect for the summer. So yes, they're just really simple. There's not much to say, but these are really comfortable, really comfortable. Last but not least, we have this beautiful red shirt, which I'm gonna be honest, I could not figure out at first because I'm like, what did I order here? Like, what is this? But basically you like put it on and then you tie it around your neck. So I love this one. I feel like this one is perfect for like 4th of July because it's red and it's nice and airy. It's not fully covering you underneath, so it's nice and airy and it looks really cute. And the detail of just haltering it, the halter top is just really nice. And of course I love red. And then these pants are absolutely huge on me. I'm not even gonna lie, these are super huge on me, but I do still like them because they fit me well. It's not like falling off of me, it's just that it fits me really baggy, which I actually struggle with finding really baggy pants, so I can appreciate that from ROTITA. But these ones I would definitely size down. I get a large in my pants, so if anything I would have gotten a medium if I knew it was like this baggy, I guess. But I still love these pants. I love that they're really airy. The material is just a little bit on the thicker side, just a little bit, like the tiniest bit on the thicker side, but they still work. They're still cute, and they definitely gonna work for the summer. Okay, you guys, so that concludes my clothing haul featuring ROTITA. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces. I did. I definitely enjoyed the pieces because I've already worn some of them, and I just received this package like not that long ago. I am excited about styling more of these pieces, especially with some pieces that I may already have in my closet. I think that a lot of the pieces that I showed you guys are really versatile, and those are the kind of items that I like to get for summer. I don't like to go too crazy in the summertime. I'm telling you, I'm a type on like just throw it on and go kind of girl, especially during the summertime, because it just be too damn hot. Like in New York City, it's just too hot during the summertime. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this clothing haul. Let me know if you guys want to see more swimsuit hauls or more clothing hauls, like what you guys want to see, or you guys want to continue to see the mixture. I kind of like the mixture because I'm never gonna run out of swimsuits, and of course I love clothing. Like who doesn't love getting clothing? Like I'm obsessed with clothing. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed. All of the information for ROTITA would be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video.